Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So there's a new Samsung Health update available that you guys might be missing out on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So today in this video we will check out that update. So for that update, simply go into the Galaxy Store app. From here tap on menu, then tap on updates. And from here you will get to see that there are multiple new app updates available like this Samsung calendar and multiple other app updates. Most of these app updates include some bug fixes and some new features with them. Now today in this video we'll talk about this Samsung Health app. If we talk about the what's new, so it has new Fitness Pro and some new Discover tab features added with this new update. To update it, simply tap on this icon in front of it and it will start the update. First of all, it will download the update, then it will install it. First of all, it will download 94 MBs and then it will download it of 320 MBs. Once the update is downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. Also in selected countries, personalized health info like meal plans and products from the premium partners are also available. With this new update, now let's open the Samsung Health app. As you guys can see, the UI is almost the same and we have the Discover tab available. So in this tab, you will get to see some personalized health recommendations and strategies. Also, it is an easy access to the health experts. This is how the Discover tab looks like. Some of the features might be limited in some countries. So let me know in the comment section that which features are you using with this Discover tab. Also, if you have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 or 8, you will get to see some new features with this antioxidant index and the vascular load. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a new Samsung Health update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe and let me know in the comment section that have you got this update or not.